everyone, welcome back to our new video. So today we are on our way from Kerala to Mumbai and we're driving down. It's a 29 hours journey for us, like 1600 kilometers. So you can see Subin is busy packing stuff in the car. And we plan to stop in Udupi, that's Mangalore. And it will be 13 hours from here, where we are right now in Rani. And let's see how it goes. So we are used to this journey because we do this every year, so it's fun. And this time we decided let's make a video and show you guys how the route is and how beautiful it is. And yeah, it's a super emotional moment right now because we're leaving Kerala. Subin is leaving Kerala after 6 months, and for me it's 2.5 months. So we got too attached over here. Such beautiful weather, climate, and yeah, everything is so good. So these are the chicks here. So yeah, I'll show you the way and let's see how it goes. I'll get back to you in a bit.
So guys, we have reached Cochin. You can see the metro trains once Trishla on the camera. So Lulu Mall is also there, and just covering up a few highlights where all we are doing it, passing through, and that's all.
So this is Lulu Mall, and it is considered as India's largest mall by square feet. Carpet area, no idea. Yeah, but it's quite famous out here. And that's the metro line. So now we have reached Thrissur. It's one of the most a city where you have a lot of festivals and sacred sites. So we have Thrissur Puram, no? Thrissur Puram festival happening here every year.
Science and Arts capital of Kerala.
Science and Arts capital of Kerala, okay. So yeah, the Thrissur Puram festival happens here and it's a huge fest. So yeah, it's about Thrissur. A lot of gyms and cyclists. Hi, so we just stopped at Ford Service Center to get the car checked. Everything is perfectly alright. And yes, so we are
heading.
Oh yeah, by the way, Angel is here. A bit scared, but yeah, she will be fine. And now we are heading towards Udupi, Mangalore, and the car is perfectly fine. So let's go. So guys, we are at Mahi Island now. Sorry, not Mahi Island. It's Mahi. It's a union territory, and it's in Kerala state, but it's Puducherry. So basically this was ruled for a bit more by the French, and after they left it belongs to Puducherry, but in Kerala state. So this is Mahi, and it's just 20 kilometer. The area is only 20 kilometers. So yeah, and it's a union territory, so it's good. And after this bridge gets over, it's Kerala again. So this part is all Puducherry. Subin is here. So now it's 9:30, 10 in the night, and we have only reached here because of a major roadblock. But yeah, still on our way to Mangalore. So let's go. And now we enter Karnataka border. Finally. Hello everyone. So we have reached at morning 5 we reached Malpe, which is in Mangalore, and we thought of course we were planning to stay back here, stop over. So it was really late in the morning, so we just came and slept off, and then now we are good to go. So we just thought of having a look around here. It's my native place. So Malpe is a place where my grandmother belongs to, so thought let's go and have a look at the beach and show you guys around. And if possible, we can also try to go to Udupi. We will see if we have time. So yeah, stay back, relax and enjoy our video. So we have now come to Krishna Mata, which is very famous in Udupi, as you can see in there. So usually it's very crowded here, and then in the evenings they have this chariot ride where they pull the chariot, and that's fun to watch actually, but nothing now. But yes, the temple has closed now. So this temple is very, very famous. This is the main entrance of the Krishna Mat. It has a long story behind it. So there's a window through which you can watch the Lord Krishna statue, but right now it's closed, so I can't show it to you. This is how it is.
So many shops inside this temple area. A lot of gold shops and... Oh yeah, by the way, Subin is here walking with Angel. So this is the area where the chariot is pulled. So it's like a circle. So that's where we pull the chariot, but now it's all empty. But yeah, it's nice and peaceful. I wish I could. But anyways, we can't take video and photography inside, so I couldn't really show inside much. But they're all small temples out here. These are all temples.
Came to eat at this place called Maharaja Sea Gate. It's amazing, authentic Mangalorean food. We had amazing fish fry, prawn, and it's really, really affordable.
Yeah.
And amazing hospitality, food, whatever you say, it's there. And if you all ever come to Malpe, you guys have to come to this place, Maharaja Sea Gate. And everyone is so nice, and they took good care of us, and we will definitely come here again. And
So
we
this
will
is in Malpe
Malpe Beach.
yeah. So anybody
And it's amazing. The food is awesome and affordable. Yeah. So yeah, please do come here. So this is Mahima Homestay, and this is the place where we always come, where we stop over whenever we travel to Kerala or from Kerala back to Mumbai. So this is the place in Udupi, Malpe. And uncle and auntie are very helpful, and hospitality is amazing, and very dog friendly place too, since we were worried about Angel, but there was no problem at all. So you all should consider this place. It's very nice, and the beach is just 2 minutes walk from here, so you can just walk down to the beach, Malpe Beach, and the rooms are very nice, and everything is available over here. And this place should be considered if you're planning to come to Malpe, Udupi. It's very nice, and uncle auntie will always help you, because we reached here around morning 5 AM today, and uncle was there helping us, watching out for everything. So yes, please do consider this place. It's very nice. I will leave the link for Mahima Homestay in the description box.